Boiling words. Understanding, boil vigorously. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, boil vigorously. This phrase is common in cooking contexts, but it's also a great example of how English uses adverbs and verbs together to create vivid descriptions. Let's get started. Boil is a verb that means to heat a liquid until it reaches a temperature where it starts to turn into vapor. This action is often seen in cooking, like when you're making pasta or soup. Now, let's add vigorously. This adverb intensifies the verb, suggesting a very active or forceful action. So, when we combine them, boil vigorously means to boil something in a way that is very energetic, with lots of bubbles and movement. In cooking, boil vigorously is a specific instruction. It tells you how fast the liquid should be boiling. This isn't a gentle simmer. It's a rapid, rolling boil. The liquid moves quickly, and there are lots of bubbles. This is important for recipes where the temperature and movement of the liquid can affect the taste or texture of the food. Let's visualize it. Imagine a pot of water on a stove. When it starts to boil vigorously, you'll see big bubbles rapidly breaking the surface, maybe even some splashing. It's energetic and lively. This visual is crucial in understanding the intensity of the action described by the phrase. Beyond cooking, boil vigorously can be used metaphorically. For example, if someone's emotions are described as boiling vigorously, it means they are feeling very strong, intense emotions. It's a vivid way to express the power or energy behind an action or feeling. And there you have it. The phrase, boil vigorously, is not just a cooking term but a lively example of English language in action. We hope this video has made the meaning clear and added a fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.